two numbers are in the ratio 3:4, if 6 be added to each terms of the ratio, then the new ratio will be 4:5. Then the numbers are, and these are the options given to us. We will attempt this question first by taking the objectives one by one. Now first objective is 14 and 20. Now if the numbers are 14 and 20, we will first check whether they are in the ratio 3:4. So 14 upon 20, if we cancel it by 2, so we get here 7 and 10. So the ratio is 7:10, which is of course not 3:4. So first option is wrong. Now we see the option B, which is 17 and 19. So the ratio will be 17 and 19, and of course we notice that it is not 3:4. So this option is also wrong. Option B is wrong. Now we see the next option, which is C, 18 and 24. Now ratio will be, in this case, 18:24. If we divide both the terms by 6, we get 3 here and 4 here. We have divided both the terms by 6, so we get 3 here and 4 here, and the ratio is 3:4, which is okay for us. Now we apply the second condition. If 6 be added to each terms of the ratio, the new ratio will become 4:5. Now when we add 6 in 18, we get 24, and when we add 6 in 24, we get 30. So the new ratio will be 24 upon 30. Again, we simplify it, so we divide each term by 6. We get here 6 4 ja 24 and 6 5 ja 30. So the ratio is 4:5, which is acceptable to us, which is correct. So our option C is correct. The numbers are 18 and 24. Now we will attempt this question by taking it from subjective point of view. Here we will suppose that first number is 3x and second number is 4x. So first number is 3x and second number is 4x, such that their ratio becomes 3:4. Now 6 is added to each terms of the ratio, so 3x plus 6 will become the first number, and the second number will become 4x plus 6, and this ratio, as per given problem, is 4 upon 5. So we obtain this equation, a linear equation, from which we can find the value of x. Cross multiply, we get 15x plus 30 is equal to 16x plus 24. Transpose, so here we get 30 minus 24, here we get 16x minus 15x. So this gives us x is equal to 6. Now x is equal to 6. When we put here, the first number will be 3 into 6, which is 18, and second number will be 4 into 6, which is 24, and hence our option C is correct. Next problem is, if a upon 4 is equal to b upon 5, then which of the options is correct? Now we have been given here a upon 4 is equal to b upon 5. When we apply componendo dividendo, first in numerator 4 will be added, the denominator will be added. So we get a plus 4, and then the denominator will be subtracted from the numerator, a minus 4 here. Here also first denominator will be added in numerator, so b plus 5 will come, and then in denominator we have numerator minus denominator, which is b minus 5. So by applying componendo dividendo, we obtain this. Now see the option, a plus 4 upon a minus 4 is equal to b plus 5 upon b minus 5 is here. which is option B. So here option B is correct. Now we will see the next problem. Next question is, if A ratio B is equal to 4:1, then the value of under root A upon B plus under root B upon A is, and these are the options given to us. See, A upon B here is given as 4/1. So this implies B upon A is equal to 1/4. By invertendo property, we have B upon A as 1/4. Now put these values in this expression. So first term will be under root A upon B, that is under root 4/1, and second term will be under root 1/4. Under root 4 we know is 2, so first term will become 2 and the second term will become 1/2. This gives us, when we simplify it, we get 5/2. So our option A here is correct. Now we will see the next problem. If x upon b plus c minus a equal to y upon c plus a minus b equal to z upon a plus b minus c, then the value of b minus c into x plus c minus a into y plus a minus b into z is, and these are the options given to us. Now in such type of problems, as we have seen earlier, whatever is written below x is put the value of x. Similarly, whatever is written below y is put the value of y, and whatever is written below z is put the value of z. So given expression becomes b minus c, x I am writing b plus c minus a. Again, for y I will be writing c plus a minus b. So the second term becomes c minus a into c plus a minus b. And similarly, the third term will become a minus b into a plus b minus c. Now we will be multiplying these terms and simplify it. Now when we multiply b minus c with this b plus c, we get b square minus c square. So first we multiply b minus c with this b plus c, we get b square minus c square. Now when b minus c is multiplied by minus a, we get minus ab plus ac. See how I have multiplied? B minus c is multiplied by b plus c, which gives me b square minus c square, and then b minus c is multiplied by minus a, which gives me minus ab plus ac. Again, see the second term. Here c minus a is multiplied by c plus a, which gives me c square minus a square. And when c minus a is multiplied by minus b, it gives me minus bc plus ab. Similarly, when we simplify the third term, it gives us a square minus b square. A minus b is multiplied by minus c, gives us minus ac plus bc. Now we will cancel the terms which we can cancel. So b square here is positive and b square here is negative, cancelled. Minus c square, this cancels this plus c square. Minus ab cancels this plus ab. Plus ac cancels this minus ac. Minus a square cancels this plus a square. Minus bc cancels this plus bc. So we get 0. And our option B is 0. So option B here is correct. The value of this expression is 0.